Starting the video off with a little G-body and billet specialties and foam dice. You can't go wrong with the foam dice. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are here in the Carlos's parking lot, staying toned. We're about to head to the racetrack. We're waiting on Ron. Everyone give me a nice Ron. Ron! Where are you, Ron? God, Ron, come on. Ron's actually like a minute down the road. We're loaded up. We got the G-body and we're taking that to the track along with the Boosted Rooster. You guys have been watching the Boosted Rooster videos where we were testing on slicks. It is still on slicks. We got some good data. We're gonna test it out at Fayetteville. See how the track, well, not really too worried about the track prep. We're gonna make it work. Yeah, really, I'm excited to see the G-body run. Wes and I have a bet. Wes, come here. You think that your G-body with your 383 stroker crate engine is gonna run faster than the Salty Chicken did back when it was stock?
I hope.
The Salty Chicken's best time was by Vince, and that was a 13.71. Yeah. 13.71 by Vince.
With chopping the tree down too.
Yeah, Vince did. So Vince is going to be out there filming today as well, but really it's going to come down to Wes. Can he drive the G-body to a it really needs a 370. Or sorry. No, not a 370. Well, if that thing runs at 370, sorry, it needs a
60 foot at 370.
A 1370 is what you need. If not, the biggest L you could ever take right there. That will confirm an LS swap will be needed.
I have a carb, so.
Yeah, you do have a carb. That's like a giant handicap. Wes is driving my Duramax hauling the silver trailer with the G-body in there. I'm driving Chris's truck. He's coming to the track later. We got the smart car and the Rooster in here, and we're waiting on Ron. And like Ben said, pretty much the Titanic. It is the longest, biggest white trailer I've ever seen. That big old white truck. That sucker looks tough from like a mile and a half away.
Rip.
Oh, look at him swinging it wide like a pro. You can hear the unstrapped car jostling around in there.
Look at straps.
Yeah, that thing is massive. Hey, you ready to go racing? Damn, it took you long enough. That's the most Benson thing I've ever heard. Man, I got stuck behind this tractor. Oh, God. All right, so we're out here at Fayetteville Motorsports Park all out Saturday. They got a 28-275 race, which is what we're going to get in. 1,500 bucks. No entry fee, which I like it. Ben, 28 race.
Yeah.
Feeling good? Yeah. Put some power to her?
Yeah, it's already got some good power.
We know that Ron right here with the J&J Fab sticker on it, no competition at all, just none. You're no, oh, get out of here.
Look, this car is so fast though, peel the paint off.
Peeled the damn paint off it.
Yeah.
Man. And then we got Wes's G-booty over here, which you're on the wrong side. All the G-body guys are parked over here. They're already like summoning you over there. They're like, Wes, come here.
Yeah.
So. All right, well, we're gonna go get teched in, do what we gotta do, and then we're gonna start making hits, and Ben is going to be getting everything toned today. And the key to Ben's success with tuning on a slick is you have to be the slick. Look at that, pow, you have to be the slick.
God.
Think like a slick, feel like a slick.
Is that shoe's gonna completely come apart by the end of the day, honestly.
No, it allows for a proper amount of slippage, and then it hooks up.
You gotta hook too well to the track. Being the slick, you gotta beat it.
So Ben is putting the limiting straps on. We just got the tire pressure set. We're going 16 pounds to start off, square. Might put a little bit more on the left side to help it drive straight. We're out of anti-roll bar adjustment right now. We need to get with my boys at TRZ Motorsports. I'm rocking their shirt today. At TRZ Motorsports, I run their anti-roll bar on my other car. We're gonna end up putting one on this car. Yeah, there's some really fast cars out here in this 28 class. We're definitely outgunned. We got no bump box, so we got a stage like a man with a turbo car. Wes, what do you think? It's gonna be
tough.
It's gonna be very tough. It's gonna be very tough. So all we can do is just come out here and run our times. Ben is killing it lately with the tuning and the track tuning. A lot of people think just tuning is on a laptop, but he's got the whole track tuning down, what it goes to be done, when, where. So that's what he's doing right now. Getting the front end tied down a little bit. We'll get some data on this first hit, see how it does. But you know, overall, the car's got some power in it up top, and we've been getting used to this tire, so should be all right. Yeah. Oh God, it's oh shoot. What's up? And Trav. Oh, and Johnny. It's been a hot minute since I've seen y'all. What's going on, boys? Who wants the sauce? You said we would lock it in. You said we'd lock it in. Me and Wes. Oh, listen. Well, I have a bet with Wes. If that car runs faster than my Trans Am did when it was stock, which is 13.71.
Drive it. I'll show you. going on? Good, good. Yeah, yeah.
I gotta get strapped in, Bo.
I better hurry up. How fast can you get ready? I got it.
Fast enough.
Here, I'll push you.
Out, it was a lot different. We tied the front end down because the track was very sticky. Before I went, Mustang went out there and laid down some water, so they were trying to clean all that up and had it tied down. So when I say tied down, you'll notice the front end doesn't come up nearly as much. We left, it was fun. I can't stand the sound of a 5.0. But pedaled a couple times and went down and through. Not a good time. But that's why we're out there making test hits. Got to get it figured out before you get into eliminations. No bump box on this, so you kind of have to stage and grab it and let it get up there. But I think I did all right staging. We're going to work on that again. Should get one more test hit before we get into, I guess, pairings and eliminations and all that fun stuff. So it'll be interesting to see. If we get to leave, it's definitely going to be a contender because I was running that guy down, his nitrous car. Oh, I was coming back. I was coming back. Yeah, it was all right. But I pedaled like 38 times. And it didn't want to, but Ben's gonna get on the tuning here on the suspension, add a little bit more extension in the front shock, and we should be good to go. But instead of making you guys wait, we're gonna stick Wes in the car. How excited is everyone here to see Wes make a pass?
Very excited. That's why I'm here.
Oh boy, I don't even think you got to worry about those. As long as they're round, you'll be fine. As long as it's round, you'll be good. It's time.
Oh.
What time are you about to run right now?
13:50.
13:50. All right. We'll meet you down there.
I don't know though.
No, don't go back on your word now. Don't go back on your word. Ron, you bumped your damn head.
You gotta at least go on 12.
Oh,
God.
12.
get out of here.
12. 50.
Oh my God. Ron, put everything back in your trailer and move down to the other end. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wes said you best go fast this pass because next pass he's gonna bust your ass.
I'll give him one practice shot.
All right.
Next pass we'll line the E-body.
Okay.
Kind of flooded out whenever I hit the gas initially. Kind of died
job. We talked to the camera and told everyone how it was. LS swap needed.
ASAP.
Tomorrow.
ASAP. I can leave those gears in it though, and I go probably 200 miles an hour.
Oh my God, so we are gonna go make another test hit. We loosened everything up, dropped tire pressure a little bit, and try to fight for some more traction, see if we can get down the track. Really, no one has hooked up, so all we gotta do is just be able to apply the power and then put it in there as quick as we can, as much as we can, and we'll be all right. Guys, first round is here. We made another test pass. It went a lot better. We went up to the driver's meeting. We picked. I ended up getting Ron in the green Mustang here, so that should be a fun race. Wes,
Dude,
who you got? Who you got? Me and Ron. Me and Ron.
what do you think?
Like here, we got to hook
Ron,
up.
but
Family first.
yeah, I was gonna say.
LS Nasty fam to the front, so it's going to be a good race. I'm going in first, and
It'll be interesting.
grab the brake and go. So they called last call. We got to go. Wes, I'm gonna give you the camera.
All
See you
right.
guys up there. I was like sawing at the wheel, and I'm like, I almost hit the cone, and I'm like, God damn, this guy's got to look awful from the outside.
Close from the cone.
How'd it look? Oh, scared? I backed that up. Dude, I kept getting, like, as soon as it'd square up, I'd stab the gas again and get loose. I'm like, damn it.
Look at the tires twice.
I know, I felt it. Trust me, I felt it. How bad? I can't wait to see how it looks from the outside. Honestly, it hasn't hit me yet how loose it is, but I got to the top and I was like,
Laura got a good shot of it.
Ron, hey,
She did.
I like my burgers done medium, all right? You hop on the grill now.
Right.
All we gotta do is get through this round, and then we can try to sneak a bye into the finals, but we're outgunned, we're fighting here. Ben's been putting in work, been doing a little driving. Everyone's got to work together, so we're gonna see if we can get one more pass and hopefully get this win light and go on to the next one. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Put me on the trailer. Eddie is a guy, he goes always at a Glock, always pulling wheelies. Track got cold and a couple things happened there. I'm not making excuses, but car didn't leave enough power, didn't have a bump box, and I tried to get in before him and grab the trans brake so I can get up on boost, but I couldn't get up enough, and because of that, when the power did come in, it knocked tires off, spun it, so it was not a competitive race there. He pretty much got out on me, and there was no, when you're running in class like this, you can't spin the tires. You gotta hook up, you gotta go A to B to have a chance. So that is, that's what needs to get done. The Rooster on slicks, I feel like we're toned up. Thank you guys for watching. I want to thank everyone that comes out here. Hopefully they do watch this video that has come out and helped me with this car, because there's a lot more things going on in the background in order to get this car to run and be as competitive as it is. I'm super happy with it for what it is, something which kind of was originally started off as a side project and now turned into a monster. So I'd say it's pretty toned. Be sure to go down and get your LS Nasty merch in the description below. Get some Cowmaro merch, get some salty chicken stuff. Boosted Rooster merch is on the way soon. First of the year, I plan to have that out. So I want to thank you guys for supporting. Those of you guys that are dropping thumbs up and commenting means a lot more to me than you guys will ever know. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. So I hope to bring you guys some more action here in the future. Going down to Florida racing soon. So a lot of racing coming up. Once the cow is back, we'll be out messing around the street doing some of those fun videos. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.